Good morning, students. Once again, I'm going to start a new topic, PowerPoint. Now, what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation software. It is a multimedia software in which we can use text, graphics, videos, music, sound, clip art, and it is used for a presentation. And why we make a PowerPoint presentation? Always remember, whenever we make a software or we make a presentation, we always make it for the user. So today's we came to know that PowerPoint is a software which is used to create a presentation. And why we make a presentation? To impress others or to tell others of our views, and in which we use some pictures, graphics and videos. So let's start with the PowerPoint. Now students, now this is a layout. The first slide with title, and I'm going to insert a new slide. If I want to insert a new slide, there is an option over here in a slides, new slide. Otherwise I must know the shortcut key, Control plus M. Control plus M is used to insert a new slide. Control plus M. Now you can see a new slide appears. It is having a layout with add title and add a text. So we can change this layout by going on under this slide option, layout. There we are having 9 different types of layout in which we can select of our choice. Let's see. I'm going to select the another one. Layout, title and comparison. So click here. Now over here I'll write the text over here, background, GROUND, background. I want to change the background. Apply on single slide, and here apply on all slides. Now over here I'm going to insert a picture. I'm going to click over here, clip art. This is the clip art. I'll say go. I'll insert a picture from this. I have inserted this picture. Now here again I want to insert a picture from a file. There is a file. I am inserting one picture of a cake. Insert. This picture has been inserted. Now again I want to insert a new slide. I will select Control plus M. Control plus M. Let's see. Control plus M. Again I want to change the layout. I'll click over here. I'll select the layout, and here slide sorter. What is slide sorter? It is used to see all the slides. It is used to see all the slides. What we can do? We can move the slides. We can move the slides. Means we can change the position. We can change the position. What we can change the position, and what else we can do? We can copy, delete a slide. Copy or delete a slide. Let's see how we'll see the slide sorter. We'll go to view, over here slide sorter. We can see all the slides. I want to change. Click over it, drag it and keep it at the last. Keep it, click on it, slide sorter, click on it, drag it and keep it at the last. Is it clear? Again over here, click it. We can do it over here also in normal one also. We can drag it and keep it at the back. drag it and keep it at the top. Is it clear? In normal Word we can also do it, but in slide sorter we can see all the slides at a time. In this we can see only 4 or 5 slides, but in slide sorter we can see 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, at least 12 slides at a time. So it's easy if we have number of slides over here. Now I'm click on normal mode. Now the next topic is to change the background. I want to change the background. Look here. I'll go to design. I'll click on design, background style. I'm going to tell you a few things. If I'll say for background, format background, solid color, I'll take a color and say red, or I'll say blue, and close. Look students, it apply only on one slide. It's apply only on one slide, but otherwise if I'll select from here, it will apply on all the slides. Is it clear? Now let's see on the next slide. Again I go to the slide. I want to insert a picture as a watermark, Is it clear? Now file, from where I want to insert. I have lot of files with me. I'll go to D drive. I have my folder. CO mob. I take this picture and insert. Look, from here you can see a background. Now it is an image as a background, but if I want to change it transparency, look what I'm going to do. I'm changing it. I'm making it a little bit light. You can change it directly from here. 50%. Done. And click on close. Then it will apply on only one slide. If you apply all, it will apply it on all the slides. Close. Clear? Now on the next slide, again I want to change. I want to fill a pattern. A lot of patterns are here, or I for gradient fill. There are two types of two colors. If I want to preset color, linear gradient or radial gradient. Preset color, if I preset means which one defined before. Done. Now close. So this is the way we can insert a background. I have told you how to insert a background, how to insert a picture from a file, how to insert a clip art. Now the next topic is I'm going to tell you is header and footer. For that you have to go to insert tab. Under insert tab there is header and footer. So I want date and time. Update automatically. Apply to or apply. And I'll say apply to all. Look at the bottom, you can find it on all the slides. At the bottom you can find, or at all the times like this you can insert the footer, header also. Is it clear? So now the next is you want to edit an image. I'm clicking on it, select this image, format. In this format you can change the color also. This one, purple, or you make it a little bit bright. Is it clear? You want to give it a border, you make it in this manner. So this is the way you can change it. Now again I'm going to insert one more slide. So what is the shortcut key? Control plus M for my India. Now I'm going to insert some shapes. I'm going to insert some shapes. Insert shapes. Let's see. A smiling face. If I want to remove this, what I'll do, I'll click on it and press delete. One smiling face. Now insert again shape. Let's see, an arrow. Insert shape and arrow. Where is that arrow? Yes, this is clear. You can resize it. Clear. Now you can format these shapes. You can fill the color of your choice. Look here. Green. This one. Clear. Now if you want to group these two objects, select both of them, select both of them, Control plus G. Now this has become a single image. Control plus G is to group the object. Control plus G. Is it clear? So for today, for PowerPoint, it is this much only. I'm going to send you a homework. You have to do it, and please keep yourself safe. Please like and subscribe my channel and tell others also. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.